Hi, welcome back to my channel. Let's delve into today's video. The 2024 Tesla Model S Plaid sedan is an advanced electric vehicle that boasts cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and luxurious amenities. Here's an overview of its features. The Model S Plaid is renowned for its incredible performance. It's equipped with 3 electric motors, 1 in the front and 2 in the rear that deliver unparalleled acceleration, capable of propelling the car from 0 to 60 mph in under 2 seconds. It also has a top speed exceeding 200 mph, making it one of the fastest production cars on the market. 2. Despite its blistering performance, the Model S Plaid offers impressive range on a single charge. Tesla claims a range of over 400 miles, making it suitable for long-distance travel without frequent recharging. The Model S Plaid features Tesla's advanced battery technology, which provides both high energy density and fast charging capabilities. This ensures quick recharging times at Tesla supercharger stations, allowing drivers to spend less time waiting and more time on the road. 4. Inside, the Model S Plaid offers a spacious and luxurious cabin with seating for up to 5 passengers. The interior is outfitted with premium materials, including high-quality leather and wood trim. The centerpiece of the interior is the large touchscreen display, which controls virtually all of the car's functions, including navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. 5. Tesla's autopilot system is a key feature of the Model S Plaid, providing advanced driver assistance capabilities. Using a combination of cameras, sensors, and advanced software, autopilot can assist with tasks such as lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and even autonomous driving on certain roads. 6. The Model S Plaid comes equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system, offering access to a wide range of entertainment options, including streaming music, internet browsing, and video playback. The system is also compatible with smartphone integration, allowing users to access their favorite apps and services on the go. Savation is a top priority for Tesla, and the Model S Plaid is no exception. It comes standard with a suite of advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, collision avoidance, and blind spot monitoring. Additionally, Tesla regularly releases over-the-air software updates to improve safety and performance. Overall, the 2024 Tesla Model S Plaid sedan represents the pinnacle of electric vehicle technology, offering unmatched performance, range, and luxury in a stylish package.